In our modern world, the rise in cancer cases has become a cause for concern. While several factors contribute to the development of cancer, including genetics and environmental exposures, our diet plays a significant role in influencing cancer risk. Certain foods have been linked to an increased likelihood of cancer development. In this video, we will explore 10 cancer-causing foods that you should avoid to promote a healthier lifestyle and reduce your risk of cancer. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats, are not only high in saturated fats but are also rich in preservatives and additives like nitrates and nitrites. The World Health Organization, WHO, has classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, linking their consumption to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Moreover, the high sodium content in these foods has been associated with an increased risk of stomach cancer. Opt for fresh, lean meats or consider plant-based alternatives like legumes, tofu, or tempeh to reduce your cancer risk. 2. Red meat. Consuming red meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, has been associated with an increased risk of several cancers, particularly colorectal, prostate, and pancreatic cancer. The heme iron in red meat, along with heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, formed during high-temperature cooking methods like grilling or frying, can promote cancer growth. Moderation is key, and consider replacing red meat with fish, poultry, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. 3. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Sugary drinks like sodas, fruit juices with added sugars, and energy drinks not only contribute to obesity but have also been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including breast and endometrial cancer. The high sugar content can lead to insulin resistance, inflammation, and cellular changes that can fuel cancer growth. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or natural fruit-infused water to stay hydrated and lower your cancer risk. 4. Refined grains. Refined grains, found in white bread, white rice, and processed cereals, have been stripped of their beneficial nutrients and fiber, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. High glycemic diets have been associated with a higher risk of colorectal and endometrial cancers. Instead, choose whole grains like quinoa, ground rice, and whole wheat, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, promoting better overall health and reducing cancer risk. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Although marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, some artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin have raised concerns about their potential links to cancer. Research in this area is still inconclusive, but it's wise to limit your intake of artificial sweeteners and opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or honey in moderation. 6. Trans fats. Trans fats are often found in processed snacks, baked goods, and fried foods. These fats not only raise bad cholesterol levels but have also been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including breast and colorectal cancer. Read food labels carefully and avoid products that contain partially hydrogenated oils. 7. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a well-known risk factor for various cancers, including breast, liver, and esophageal cancer. Alcohol is metabolized in the body to acetaldehyde, a toxic compound that can damage DNA and lead to cancerous changes in cells. Limiting alcohol intake or avoiding it altogether can significantly reduce your cancer risk and improve overall health. 8. High sodium foods. Diets high in sodium have been linked to an increased risk of stomach cancer. Processed foods, canned goods, and salty snacks are often laden with excessive sodium. Consuming high sodium foods may lead to chronic inflammation and cellular damage, increasing the risk of cancer development. Opt for fresh foods and season your meals with herbs and spices instead of salt. 9. Grilled and charred foods. Cooking meats at high temperatures, like grilling or charring, can produce harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which are potential carcinogens. These compounds are formed when meat is exposed to direct flame or high heat and can increase the risk of colon, stomach, and pancreatic cancers. Use gentler cooking methods like baking or boiling, and consider marinating meats to reduce the formation of these harmful compounds. 10. Pickled and smoked foods. Foods preserved through pickling or smoking may contain nitrites and nitrates, which can be converted into nitrosamines during digestion. Nitrosamines are known carcinogens, and their consumption has been linked to an increased risk of stomach and colorectal cancer. While it's okay to enjoy pickled or smoked foods occasionally, it's best to limit their consumption and prioritize fresh, whole foods in your diet. While there is no definitive way to prevent cancer, adopting a healthy diet and lifestyle can significantly reduce your risk. Avoiding cancer-causing foods and choosing a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can contribute to better overall health and well-being. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol consumption are also essential for reducing cancer risk. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance on maintaining a cancer-preventive diet. By making informed choices about what we eat, we can take proactive steps toward a healthier and cancer-free life.